is the video. That is it. Say hello, Blissy.
Hello, Blissy.
That's my heaven favorite. Why is that?
Those are pulverons.
Yay!
Goldilocks pulverons. Yummy, yummy.
Well, honey, look at me. What do you like pulveron, honey?
I don't know. Just a nice snack.
Nice snacks, yes. Yeah. Wow. To go out. Snow time. Look at that. Oh my goodness. Are you ready? Oh, look at this. Patchy sugar. Okay. Okay, let me open. We'll see. Oh. Okay. Okay. Oh, yeah. Oh my gosh. Look at that. Oh my goodness. Oh, the pastry away. Pastry away. Look at that. Playing in the snow. Yeah. Oh my goodness. Look at that, mga bliss. Oh. That's my patchy and sugar. Look at that. They're playing in the snow. Mga blissy. Look at that. And look the trees. Yan. Ganyan dito mga blissy, no? Maganda pag bago pa mag-snow. Yung mga trees na namumuti. Ayan. Nandito ako kasi sa loob ng ano ko. That's my porch. Look at that mga blissy. It's white. Oh. We'll see. Na-enjoy nila. Oh. I got that. Oh, tumain na. Oh, look at that. Oh my goodness. You have fun? Maprose na yung mga paa nyo. Huh? I gonna take the towel. Because I don't want you drag the snow everywhere. Pumunta na doon sa giliran. Walang snow. Smart patches, ha? You like frozen? Oh, sugar, you ready? Oh, yeah? Yeah? You ready to go in? It's cold? Paa niya nag-ano na. Oh, I gotta take the towel. Sa labas kasi sila. Oh. I gotta take the towel. I know it's cold. Yeah? Alright, patchy sugar. What naman. Come on. Hello. One at a time. No. Patchy sugar. Okay, come on, Ann. Come on. Sugar weight. Wait, baby. Wait. I know. Okay. The legs. Oh my goodness. Because we don't want to drag it. Mga blissy sa, just wait. Sa bahay. Kasi ito, yan. Oh, be nice. Wait. The legs. Gonna frozen. Did you pop? Did you pop inside? Oh my goodness. Say thank you, mommy, That's okay. Say hi, we have fun. Okay. Oh. Okay, come in, baby. Come in. Oh. Alright. The legs. Na-frozen ang legs. Mga blissy. Clean. Kiss mommy. Okay. Kiss. Hi. Say hi, blissy. Oh, hello. May mga bilog pa. Oh. Kailangan sila punasan. Say hello. Yeah, you have fun. Okay. Ay, just sugar, mga busy. And this is my patchy. Okay, go na. Run ka na. What you gonna do? Yeah. Oh, your ball. Is it your ball there? Oh. Lamig mga blessed, lamig. So, mga blises, so nag-bake ng pork, roast pork, oh, yum. And fish. Look at this, mga blises. Yan, oy. Ay. Masarap pag mag-snow ng ganito, di ba? Oh, look at that. Yan. Bluefish. Actually, not bluefish. Mackerel. Sarap. Tingnan natin doon sa, ano. Tapos, mayroon akong beets. At saka, carrots. I try to do diet. We will see. Anong mangyari sa diet. Beets yan, beets. More beets, ah. Ay, patayin ko na yan kasi ito na yan. Nag-snow si Daddy Milan. Nag-snow? Ano ba yan? Nag-witness. Oh! Patsi, sugar! Oh, close natin. Tingnan natin. No, stay there. No, stay there. Don't come here. Kasi lalabas yun sa mga bliss eh. Oh, no. Patches, I know you. You're gonna go. Look at the mga bliss. Grabe yung snow. Sa labas ng shower. Nag-ano sila. Naglinis. Magsimba kami. Yan mga bliss. No? Lamig. Super lamig. Yung mga trees. I-focus ko, ha? Tingnan nyo mga trees. Mga bliss. Puro snow. Snow. Focus ko mo. Para makita yung puno ng mga trees. Gang? Hi, good morning. Thank you pag shovels. Wala da, mga snow na. Mga puno ng kahoy. Yan, grabe diba? Cold. Oh, at saka big snowman. Jaden and Daddy Milan did it. Wala, mga basic. Isa na yun. Yan. Big snowman. Magsistiyan siya ng matagal pag malamig. Kasi pag hindi, sa malamig, mag-ano din yan, mag-melt. Big snowman, gawa ni Daddy Milan sa ni Jaden. Oh, look at that. Wow. Someday gusto ko dalhin yung mga sihok at saka bliss dito. Someday mag-play ng snow. Ay, laki. Ay, sada ko na. Lamig. Ooh. See? Do you have fun? See? Lamig. Oh, look at this. Oh my God, mga bases. Look, my house is really full of iniga snowman. Like that. Ay, mga blissy. My neighbor. Oh my goodness, look at that. Oh. Kasi yung mga blissy. Oh. Ay, cold in a cold. Oh, mga blissy. Ano na rin yung snow. Kahit yung roof ng bahay ko, mga blissy. Oh. Ay, grabe. Ay, punta pa doon, oh. Yan. Ay, ako, puno. At wala talaga. Okay, Jaden. So, this is my... Puno ang bahay. Puno. Grabe yan.
Snowman still standing there now? Yes, unless someone drove me towards you.
Kagagaling ang namin galing sa simbahan. Grabe yung snow, oh. Tingnan mo yan. Yan. Pauwi na. Pero yung road, clean naman. Clean naman yung road.
special day today, huh?
Very special day today.
Yeah.
Grabe yung snow.
Pero pa walang salt dad, no?
Oh. Hindi, 30 plus to lang kasi. Pero kung walang salt, hindi.
Another life, another blessing.
Mega, mega shout out.
Mega, mega shout out.